Hey there, professionals! Today I'm diving into a topic that's reshaping our careers, how AI is transforming the future of work. So grab a coffee and let's explore this exciting landscape together. First up, let's talk about how AI is revolutionizing industries. In manufacturing, logistics and customer service, AI is automating repetitive tasks. This means less mundane work and more focus on what truly matters. Imagine AI-powered machines handling assembly lines or chatbots managing customer queries efficiently. It's happening, but it doesn't stop there. AI is also spearheading new products and services in healthcare, finance and education. Think AI-driven diagnostics in hospitals, predictive analytics in banking, and personalized learning experiences in classrooms. The possibilities are endless. By leveraging data analysis and predictive modeling, we're witnessing unprecedented efficiency and productivity. Now let's look at the rise of new job roles. With AI's growth, we need specialists like AI experts, data scientists, and machine learning engineers. They're the architects behind these intelligent systems. We also need AI ethics and regulatory experts to ensure responsible development and deployment. And let's not forget AI trainers and curators who fine-tune models and provide relevant data. So what skills should you focus on for the future of work? First and foremost, adaptability and lifelong learning. Technology evolves fast and staying updated is key. Critical thinking and problem-solving skills are crucial to analyze complex AI-generated data. And collaboration and communication will help you work effectively with AI systems and human colleagues alike. Preparing for an AI-powered future involves identifying and developing in-demand skills. Explore online courses, certifications, and training programs to upskill and reskill. Network with professionals in the AI field and stay informed about industry trends. Navigating this changing job landscape might seem daunting, but embrace AI as a tool and partner, not a threat. Focus on tasks that require human creativity, empathy, and critical thinking, areas where AI still lags behind. Seek opportunities to leverage AI for personal and professional growth. Remember, the future of work is already here. So, start preparing today and turn AI into your career advantage. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.